Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this new video on PEPE. Wanted to do your daily update, of course. There's not that much to talk about, and to be honest, I once again want to ask you if you still think these daily updates are valuable and needed. I don't mind making them, I really don't, because every day I do have something to talk about. Like today, we actually got a major bearish breakout over the course of yesterday. So today we'll talk about whether we can hold that and just in general what to expect from that. But I do want to ask you if you still think these updates are valuable. If not, I might do one every 2 days or like 3 times a week, something like that. But I'll keep doing them daily if they're still valuable. Right now we still have over 140 or just under $140 million in volume. Still quite high. If you take a look at the volume over the last, over the last 3 days. It has been pretty stable. Most of the volume is actually being sold though, which is not amazing, but still it does show that a lot of people are still trading PEPE, and that in general means that there's still opportunities and still potential. But alright, that's something we'll talk about in this video. Before we talk about that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. Now onto PEPE. So I wanted to switch on the 1 hour time frame so we can actually have a little bit more price action. And I also think it's fine to actually check out the 1 hour time frame. What I wanted to do is kind of to gain a better overview of what's going on. I wanted to split the key level we've been referencing in the last couple of videos. So that was the level between 13,500 and 12,500. And now all of a sudden, in my eyes, you see a way clearer image. And that's the image of a PEPE that's very much trending down. We're basically breaking every support we touch. Last support was 13,500. Then it was around 13,000 and 12,500. And what happened yesterday is we actually broke down below the 12,500 level. Now we talked about yesterday how that is actually quite a strong and important level because it's a psychological level. 12.5, 10, 15, 17.5, that type of psychological level. So breaking through that and actually respecting the bearish breakout right now is a bad thing. All right, it's not the end of the world yet because we have been finding a little bit more support here than we have, for example, found at around 12,700 this actually is, and 13,500. But overall, it looks, at this point in time, it looks like the most likely scenario. That will actually continue this downtrend, and at some point of time drop down below 12,000, after which we'll drop down to this major support level between 11,000 and 10,000, where in the middle, I actually wanted to highlight that a little bit because I've been telling you that I think that could actually be a nice buy area. In the middle is actually the most important level, so that's around 10,500. But at this point of time, that looks like the most likely scenario. There is almost nothing that really is an argument against that. Like I said, volume is still alright, but it's also not going up. And apart from that, there's absolutely no technical confirmation of a little bit more bullish momentum, and there's also no reason for PEPE to really be bullish. Of course, it also did not have any reason when we had that initial bull run. That's 100% true. But then we did have some hype, and now the hype is almost completely gone. So, yeah, that's my take on PEPE for now. That's everything I wanted to say and what I expect. I'll be back tomorrow again with another daily update. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.